Hey yo, what's going on everybody? It is your boy Almighty Ghost TV and welcome to another vlog. Yes, sir. So guys, on today's vlog, I am now rolling alone. I got the boy, you know what I'm saying?
Big step for DOD.
Yes, sir. So, guys, what we're about to go do right now, you guys know him. We're about to go make another hit, baby. You know what I'm saying? We're about to go make another song. It's finna be late, you know what I'm saying? So, if it's your first time, yeah, please hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you're notified next time I drop. Please like the video, guys, because I'm pretty sure you are going to like the video. Without any further ado, let's get into it. Guys, this Colot was like on 390 some K, right? Because we nice like that, baby, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Shut up. We nice, baby. Yeah. So, guys, let's get into like 400,000. Let's make it 500K. 500Ks.
500Ks.
You guys go stream Colot right now, baby. And also go watch the visuals, you know what I'm saying? Yes, sir.
Coming.
Yeah, what you say?
Something's coming.
Something's coming. Come
like
on, man.
Fire joint.
Check me out, baby. So see out. Yo, shout out my sneaker plug, Kickbait, guys. If you guys wanna shop some sneakers, hit the first link in the description, baby. Let's get saucy. You know what I'm saying? Oh wait, let's hit the studio though, bro.
Say less, person.
You know what I'm saying?
Say less. But why aren't you vibing with the
GTI?
The GTI now.
Hey, you see it's at night now. That's a toilet. Not right now, bro.
Not right now.
Not right now.
What you saying? What's the truck doing here, boy?
Keep running. What? Hello.
How's this? How are you?
I'm good, thanks. You?
Good. These vehicles belong to you?
Yeah.
Alright. Okay. So I've got a court order from the court to come and collect these items.
Court order?
Yes, sir. I've got two vehicles that have been listed here.
Yeah.
You can see for yourself the court order. I'm going to collect to repossess these two vehicles here. That's correct, sir.
No, but then like, I paid.
I don't know anything, sir. I've got a court order sent to you. You can see all the items.
No, but I paid though. I paid.
Listen. I've got a family as well to go to.
Yes.
I'm at work. Can you make my life a lot easier? Can I just go home like a bit without having to fight?
No, but I also have places to be. How can you take my mode of transport?
The bank has said to come and repossess these two vehicles here, which are listed here. It's none of my business how, where you
Dog,
are
switch
to
that
go.
thing off.
You understand? At this point right now, I'm here to collect these two cars. So all I need from you is just a cooperation, and I'm asking and begging you just to hand me over the keys, and I'll be out of your way, and I'll just collect the vehicles and go and deliver them where I'm supposed to be.
Okay, can you please not take my cars, man?
Boss, listen, you need to call the bank and arrange that with the bank. Right now, what I need to do is to collect and uplift these vehicles, take them where the bank has authorized me to take them. And that's the only way right now. Even if you call the bank at this stage, I still need to pick up these vehicles because that's what the bank pays me to do. I'm here to collect the vehicles and drop them off there. Whether you make arrangements with the bank, then they will be the ones telling you to come and collect the vehicles or whatever arrangements you sort out. But at this point, at this stage, I'm here to take these two vehicles, boss. So all I'm asking for is the keys and your cooperation for me to load these vehicles. We wouldn't want them to have any damage because the more you refuse to give me the vehicles, I'm forced just to take action and take them. And if there's any damage that comes through in the time that I'm forcefully taking the vehicles from you have to account for it, sir.
Okay, can you please not take my car, please?
Boss, I cannot. This is not my.
Please.
You can't be pleading with me. You're supposed to be pleading with the bank. I mean, the bank, before all of this pleading happens, I'm sure there's multiple SMSs.
I'm gonna
there's
pay.
multiple calls that
I'm
they
gonna
send
pay.
to you. Boss, it's not. I don't know. I'm not a part of this. I'm just a third party sent by the bank to come and take and repossess. Because obviously the bank can't come up to me. I have to do that because this is my job. So do me that favor, boss, and let's just make life a lot easier. All I need is the keys from you, boss. I need to leave the keys also of the other vehicle.
Okay, but can I keep one of them?
Boss,
Please.
on the repossession order I've given you, it says two vehicles. I cannot leave one vehicle. If I'm leaving one vehicle behind, I'm not getting paid in full. Do you understand? If I'm leaving one vehicle, then it means I'm not going to get paid. I haven't done my job. My responsibility and duty
But
today.
how am I supposed to travel? That's my thing. How am I supposed to travel? Please understand.
The bank has been calling you numerous times. They've been calling you multiple times trying to get to you, right? They've been doing all of this, sending you multiple SMSs. I'm sure if you go through your phone, there's messages from the bank stating that, listen, pay your monthly bills. Now you want to make your problem my problem. I'm here just to get...
Dog.
Leave.
No, boss.
Dog, I must...
Leave.
Nigga.
Leave.
Dog, but like, how are we gonna go to the studio, bro? How are we gonna work?
You're gonna catch Uber.
How am I gonna shoot my video?
You're gonna catch Uber.
Thank you so much.
Why was more Pokemon?
No, dude, I was paying, bro. I was paying.
Very, very nice to you. Is there anything valuable that you want to take out of the car now? Anything, your laptop, phones, GPSs,
But please,
whatever
man.
that's there, GoPros, please just remove that. Laptops and all that. Just get your things. That's the only thing I can give you right now. Normally, I'm just supposed to go, pick up and go.
Dog, I was paying, bro. I was paying, bro. I was paying, but no, but I'm gonna pay. I'm gonna pay. That's my shit. Like, I'm gonna pay. I'm gonna pay, bro. I know I wasn't paying, but I'm gonna pay.
Dog, you had to pay for
I'm
the
gonna
car.
pay, bro.
Responsibility, dog.
Dog, switch that shit off.
But why do you have to be like this, my friend? You're gonna pay for the car, man.
Boss, listen, Baba. It's not my problem right now. I'm really trying to be nice to you guys. I am really trying to be nice to you. When the bank sends me, it's beyond me. I can't do nothing about it.
But then you're gonna take my car in front of the people.
Listen, boss.
In front of the people.
Boss, what am I supposed to do?
In front of the people.
What am I supposed to do?
You humiliating
I'm here
me.
to do my job.
You
boss.
humiliating me.
Nah,
No, you
humiliate yourself.
humiliating me. That's
Humiliate
a-
yourself.
How can I calm down while you're humiliating
You
me?
are humiliating yourself, boss. You humiliate yourself. Now you're screaming and shouting at me. I'm just here to do my job. You need to pay your bills on time. Pay your bills on time. The bank wouldn't be coming for these cars. All you know is to be flashing, buying all these flashy cars. My man, listen. I don't want to be nasty. I drive my normal Taz, paid up. I don't do these things of the banks and banks and banks. Right now, I am sent by the bank to come and collect what belongs to them because you haven't been paying for it. You're not reaching the agreement. You had an agreement that on a monthly basis, on this particular day of the month.
But I'm saying I'm gonna pay, bruh. I'm saying I'm gonna pay. I'm gonna pay, bruh. Why these guys not understanding, bro? Switch that thing off, bro. Switch that thing off, dude.
But dog, you had to pay for
Dog, no, but then I said I'm gonna pay, bro. I said I'm gonna pay, bro. I said I'm gonna pay. Dog, bro, I'm just waiting for a payment. I'm waiting for a payment and I'm gonna handle. I don't know why they're doing this, bro. Why they don't have to take the cars, bro. That's what I'm saying. Bro, this guy's heartless, bro. So can I just say you heartless for what you're doing? You heartless. You have no emotions.
Just doing my job. Boss, can I please go?
I can't let you take my car. Dog, switch that thing off.
Oh, man, now car in your face.
Dude, I'm not gonna get out, bro.
my
I
God.
can't let him take my car. There's no way.
It's just like less drama, dog. Cool, my face.
My man, listen.
Get out
I
the
need
car,
to work.
bro.
I need to work. Get off your phone. I also need to work. I've got a family to deal with. You understand me? Can I please just do my job and get out of your face? Then you can deal with it with the bank nicely, accordingly. Calling the bank now is not gonna help. At the end of the day, I need to take these two cars and drop them off at the bank. You will
can I
make
give
those
you-
arrangements with the bank. You can't.
Can I give you? Can I
Boss.
give you? Can we talk about it?
Boss, listen. I think I'm running out of time as well. Just standing here.
2,000.
No, I don't need money. Don't pay me. Pay the bank. Take that money. Take that money towards your monthly installments for the car. Don't give me anything. I don't need money from you. All I need is just to take your car, please, and go. That's how it works, boss.
Cool, my Kanye. Dog, you probably make this money to buy the car.
Dog.
Boss, please.
Please. Please. Please. Please. Please.
Call
please,
the bank.
I beg
Call
you.
the bank.
I'm begging
Make
you.
arrangements with
Please,
the bank.
please, please,
Bro,
please.
boss, listen. Stop this. Direct this out.
Let's go inside, boy. Let's go inside. Let's go inside. Dog, let's go inside, man. Come on.
Dog, look, bro, they taking my car.
Now, boy, let's go inside.
They taking my car, bro.
Let's go inside, bro.
Dog, I can't go inside, bro. They taking my car, bro. I can't go inside. I can't.
Don't touch my chains. Do not touch anything. Don't even touch the open door. Don't touch anything. Calm. I'm sure you need to understand that. I don't think you need to understand.
I can't believe this, bro. Tell me I'm gonna pay, bro. I said I'm gonna pay. I know I'm like 5 months, but I'm gonna pay. I'm just waiting on the payment, bro.
You had to pay a little time.
Sir, okay, I understood. You had to take that one, but can you please just leave me with this one? This one is brand new. I just got it. I just got it, please.
I just got here.
Please. Yeah, no, but I just got this one. Please understand.
Boss,
I even
you
just.
got this. You just, my man, please, just
Please.
stop. Just step out of this.
Please.
Allow me to work. You call the
Okay,
bank.
no, I
You make these
understand.
arrangements. I've been here ever since I started picking up that car. You didn't know it was.
I can give you 5,000, please.
Boss, take the 5,000. Pay towards your installments. Allow me to repay in peace. I need you can't pay. Wait.
Please,
Boss, it's up.
please, please. No, please,
Sua,
please.
Caio,
Please,
sua.
please, no, please. I just got it. Bro, stop. I'm begging you, boss. I'm begging you. I'm begging you, please. When people see this on social media, they're gonna post.
Boss,
They're gonna post.
boss, it's none of my business. Can I please just work? Allow me to work. Please just move over.
Suga, Caio.
Hey, you must pay in time. The bank wouldn't do this. How now it seems like the bank is unfair. Oh, boss.
I just got this car, bro. Whoa! 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 People are gonna know it's my car.
Mfethu ngiyacela. Cela usuku ungathini. Singathintani. Ngizabe ukusebenza.
This is black on black
Shayisa.
name.
Angikuzona.
This is black on black hate.
Ngiyabona ke manje.
No, you don't want us to
Ngiyabona ke
succeed.
Futhi khokha ama-bills wakho. Khokha ama-installment wakho emoto. Angithi phela into ebhek isivumelano oba naso wena nebhenka kithi. So why manje ungihlukumeza mina?
But I'm gonna pay.
Ngenza owami
bro. I said I'm
umsebenzi,
gonna
ngizolanda le
pay.
moto. Phela ayisekho into engizokhuluma nawe mfethu. No, allow me to work, boss. I'm begging you. Allow me to work. I need to work. I'm expecting a payment. Yes. Call them. I'm not, listen, you still have a chance to get your cars back. I'm not saying you don't want to get your cars back. These are your cars. But make your payment. Make arrangements with the bank. I believe you still have time. Call the bank, make arrangements. If you're expecting a payment, as soon as your payment comes in, make that payment. It's as simple as that. There's no need for all of this.
Oh, the blue, you are heartless, my blue.
But for real. Nah, bro, it's nice.
Kanya.
No!
Kanya, eat my dog.